If you're trying to print to a shared printer over your network and suddenly you get an error that says 0x000009, element not found. You're not alone. This is a common problem in Windows 10 and 11, and today I'm going to walk you through the exact steps to fix it. So what causes this error? It usually pops up when Windows can't properly connect to the shared printer on another computer. It could be due to missing registry entries, outdated drivers, permission issues, or even security updates that messed with network printing settings. Let's start with the easiest fix. Remove and re-add the printer. Go to your control panel, then Devices and Printers. Right-click on the printer that's giving you the error and select Remove Device. Now click Add a Printer, let Windows search, and once your shared printer appears, click it and follow the steps to reinstall. If that didn't work, here is another fix. Press Windows R to open the Run dialog. Type regedit and press Enter to open the registry editor. Now go to this location. HKE current user software Microsoft Windows NT current version Windows on the right side. Look for the value called device. Double click it and make sure it has the name of your default printer in this format. Printer name, Win spool, next. If it shows a wrong or old printer, change it to the correct one or delete the entire key and let Windows recreate it after restart. Before closing the registry editor, you might need to change permissions. Right-click on the Windows folder on the left, choose Permissions, and give full control to your user account. Click OK, then close everything and restart your computer. Still not working? Let's try the Group Policy Editor method. Press Windows R, type gpdd.msc, and press Enter. Navigate to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Printers. Now look for the setting called Package Point and Print Approved Servers and disable it. Also disable point and print restrictions while you're here. This allows your PC to freely connect and install drivers from another computer. After all of this, try printing again. This error should now be gone, and your network printer should work just fine. Let me know in the comments which method worked for you, and if you're still having trouble, drop your printer model and system version, and I will try to help out. Thanks for watching, and if this video helped you fix the issue, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.